Now we want to create a grid space script to make an event each time we click the button. To do that, right-click on the grid space prefab and create a C# script. Let's name it a grid space and open it with any editor you want. First, we will define the variables that we will need, and I will talk about each of them later. Now define a public button, name it button, then text and name it button text. Public string, which will be the player side. Now let's create a public function of type void. Let's give it a name, set space. So button text dot text equal to player side. Then button dot interactable equal to. So what exactly does that code is take the text property from the button text variable, which is of the type text, and assign it to the player side, which is of the type string. Then set the interactable property in the button to false, which is pretty clear. Now save the changes and click on grid space and assign the grid space script. Then let's add the grid space on the button here and the text property to the text here, and set the player side to X. And up there on click, let's click plus and add the grid space. Okay, and then choose a set space function on a grid space. Now for the text, let's delete the X and do the same thing for the other. Now save the changes and click run. Let's test it. Okay, worked perfect. Great. Okay, on the next video, we will set the game controller for our game. So, see you on the next video.